Come test drive the 2017 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console. Come take a test drive today.